What's up, Monae? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube. What's up, Monae? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, what's poppin'? My name is Kyla, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, so this will be my dorm tour video. Everything is up except one thing, and that's my flower wall. As you will see in the video, I have attempted time and time again to put that flower wall up. I put it with duct tape. I put it up with command strips. Just comment down below anything that y'all know will help me put it up. One thing I forgot to mention, then we're gonna get straight into the tour, is this year I am in a single. A single is a room with one person in it. Last year I had a double. I had a roommate. So this year I don't have a roommate. It's just me, myself, and I in one room. So that's a single. Without further ado, let's get into this tour. So when you come straight in, you see the door. That's how my door looks. In each room, on the back of the door has the evacuation plan in case of a fire. On this side of my room consists of, I have this command strip here for my mask and my one car, and then you got the switch for the light. My ring light is right here for this video. My shower shoes, my slippers usually go right there. Then I have my closet. On my closet door, I have my over the door hook rack, and it just got my shower caddy, towels, purses. I got an umbrella, you know, stuff like that. So this is how my closet looks. Got you a mirror. This is me. So you got you a full body mirror. We love that. You can take good mirror pictures in that. Okay, so this is how my closet is set up. I have all my fragrances, my lotions, body oils. Have some shampoo and stuff over there. Body lotions, body creams, perfumes, stuff like that right there. On this rack right here, I have all of my jogging sets, hoodies. Then I have some dresses, some formal wear right there. Right here, I have my vacuum and my Swiffer and my dirty clothes. My dirty clothes bag. Do not be like me, y'all, and bring all these shoes. I have shoes. I don't even know if y'all can see, but hopefully y'all, let me turn up the brightness. I got nothing but shoes back there, shoes on my shoe rack. Do not be like me, y'all. Save space. Y'all don't need all these shoes. I really don't even wear all these shoes, and we really a month in. In each closet, they have like these little spaces where you can put stuff in. So on the top one, I just got my paper towels, Lysol wipes, Lysol spray. Got a few candles, multi-purpose cleaner, you know, tissues. We got Lysol spray. We got some more soap down here. Hopefully y'all can see, but because it's really dark in here. But got my vitamins right here, and then on the bottom is where I keep all my food and snacks, stuff like that. I got my cereals, my hot sauce, my granola, my popcorn, my noodles, fruit snacks, stuff like that. Then that's where I got all of my vitamins. Then I got my sprays, fabric softener, disinfectant spray, my refills for my Swiffer, you know, just miscellaneous cleaning supplies that you will need. And then I also have my detergent down here. And then I just have this pink fur rug on the ground. because as y'all can tell, my colors are blush pink, gray, white, and a hint of gold. Those are my theme colors for my room. So that's enough of my closet. This is how my, oh, and up there I have some miscellaneous hair supplies, lashes, extra towels. Then I got my whole station right here with my cups, plates, bowls, got a mug, straws for my smoothies. And then here I keep all of my miscellaneous stuff like extra toothpaste, band-aids. I have my whole first aid kit up in there, stuff like that. That's what's in there. So I'm gonna zoom out. This is my closet area. That's why I love Grant, because it's a decent closet area. And then right here I have all of my jackets, my coats, hoodies that couldn't fit right there. So this is how my closet looks. Going to this way, we have my bed area, which is one of my favorite parts of my room. I have my canvases and my plaques up there. I have a dream catcher right above my bed. And then as you guys will notice, this is the same comforter set as last year. Yes, reuse, recycle. Okay, period. This is how my bed looks from this angle. Very nice and sophisticated. Yes, I do have LED lights around my ceiling and around my TV. Then over here you will come to my mini fridge microwave area. Because I have a single, this is all mine. Anything I want to put in here, I can put in here. I don't have to worry about limiting how much stuff I put in here because it belongs to me for the school year. I don't have to share with nobody. So on top of it, I just got my remote control for my LED lights. I got my napkins, my tissue, I got my blender right here for my smoothies. Got my microwave, and then this is with my freezer. This is how the space looks for the freezer. Hopefully y'all can see that. I know it's a little dark, but that's what that looks like. That's the space that gives us for the freezer. And then this is how my refrigerator looks. We got some water, some Lunchables, some fruit cups down. We got the milk and stuff for the cereal on this door. My yogurt and stuff for my smoothie, for my smoothies and stuff. Then I just got my little phone charger right there. This is really a decorative piece because I don't use this, but this is an alarm clock that I bought at what was it, Marshall's. And then this is my window area right here. I got some plants on the window. I have this decorative piece that says #goals. We love that. It goes with the whole theme. Again, blush pink, white, gray, and a hint of gold. We have this canvas that says she believed she could, so she did. One thing that I forgot to mention that I feel like somebody is going to ask is I have a view of Stevenson Towers. So this is Stevenson A, B, C, and D right there. I don't know if y'all can tell. Let me see. But this building right here is Grant. I'm not sure which tower it is. And that tower is right there as well as Grant. I'm in Grant D. Right there is Grant C. Hopefully y'all can tell, but that is Grant C. I'm in Grant D. So over there is Grant A and B. I'm not sure which one is A or B, but my view is nothing of the rest of Grant and Stevenson Towers. So those whole 4 buildings that has the top of the buildings lit up is nothing but Stevenson. So I'm Grant and Stevenson. This is how close Grant and Stevenson is together. You see that sidewalk? This is nothing but not even a block. Like you see somebody walking, but not even like, this is like literally down the street. Like, it's nothing but a 5-minute walk from here to Stevenson. So I just wanted to show y'all my view. But my desk area right here, as you guys will notice as well, I have the same gray wallpaper on my desk, on my dresser, and on my mini dresser. And I did that just so I can like decorate it the way I want. I can really easily take this up because there ain't nothing but tape on it. So yeah, so this is my desk area. It just consists of my lamp, some hand sanitizer, my pencils. This is new because at first I didn't have this. I had the other one that said "Hello Gorgeous," but this year we have this one, and it's pink. It says Essentials in gold letters, so we love that. And I feel like it fit my colors perfectly, so why not? Then we have this lovely picture of my mom and I. Then we got our vanity mirror. Then we got our computer. Oh yeah, this is another important thing. When y'all in college, get y'all a power strip, because in this room I have about 3 to 4 outlets, and I have so many things to plug up. So look at how many stuff I got plugged up over there. Get y'all a power strip when y'all come to college, or just in general. A power strip will really help y'all out when y'all are limited on outlets and you have so much to plug up. Get y'all a power strip. But below my desk, oh yeah, this is what the chair looks like that they give you on grant. And then in this mini dresser, I have all of my office supplies. I mean, not my office supplies. I have all of my work items, like my stapler. I have sticky notes in there, extra notebooks, you know, stuff like that. Then I got my trash can right there. Again, it's gray, goes with my color scheme. And then right here is where I just keep everything organized. I have a planner, but I would rather write it down on the whiteboard so I can physically see it. Yeah, I'm getting so much off topic, but basically this is my area where I write down everything. On this one, I have nothing but motivational words of encouragement. You guys can pause it and read it, but I'm not gonna read each one. Right here I have my actual calendar, and it has, you know, it's a calendar, and then I got my important dates on it. And then one thing that I do that helps me out with my schoolwork is, for each class I write down on a sticky note the class name, the assignment, and when it's due. And then I just do it in order of importance and which one is coming up first, and I just check it off. So this really helps me, because sometimes I'll be thinking one assignment is for one class when it's really for a different class. So yeah, this is a good system, I would say, if you want to be organized and do your work, because one missing assignment can really drop your whole grade. For real. But right here I just have another words of encouragement. Then right here I have another whiteboard, and then this one is a to-do list. But it's a different type of to-do list. So it's really all of my classes. So Monday through Friday I have all my classes written down, and then Sundays I really do laundry, gym, and clean my room. And then I have another note right there. So yeah, this is my holy grail when it comes to figuring out what I have to do, because everything is written down, and it's just right here. Like, I don't know what other way to explain it, but this right here, yeah, it gives me life. Like, this whole area is so worth it. Okay, so boom, y'all saw this part of my room. Oh yeah, and I got this rug right here, my ottoman, to get on my bed, because you know, yeah, I know I'm short. So, and then right here we got our TV. Hold on, let me turn this off so y'all can really get the vibe of my room. Oh, I don't want it to be too dark though. Turn it back on. Okay. But yeah, right here you got my TV. This is a 32-inch smart TV. I have nothing but apps on here. I got Netflix, Hulu, YouTube. I just watch TV when I need a break, when I'm tired of doing work. I got my TV remote control right here, and my LED remote control for my TV. I labeled it TV LED, so I won't get it mixed up with my ceiling LED remote control. But this is really where all my clothes is. I'm not gonna open it and show y'all, but I will tell y'all. And the first one is nothing but my sleeping clothes and my undergarments. The second one is nothing but my shirts, and the third one is jeans, jogging pants, shorts, stuff like that. And then this was the area where I was trying to put this up, because I'm doing hair on campus, right? And once I got done with my clients' hair, I was going to take a video or a picture and then have them stand in front of this. I got this custom made and everything, but it don't want to hold up. Like, I need to find something that I can use that will, you know, hold this on the wall, because I tried command strips, I tried duct tape, nothing is working. But I really want to get some use out of this because I did spend my money on this. But that is that. And then below that, I just got my waters, and then we're back at the front door. So I'm gonna do you guys an overview of this whole room. This is how it looks.
You're such a man. You got the whole world in your hands, but you be playing, fucking all the girls she can't stand. Bitches and bitches and hoes, but they don't know. I bet they don't even know that you let her phone, even her phone. She be paying your bills, buying all of your clothes, and she pay for your phone. You be thinking you own just ain't shit friends. Did you pick up your kids? She be watching your kids. Gon' fuck around and find. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, you gon' fuck around and find out. You gon' fuck around and find. You cannot get better, you cannot do better, and you will regret it. Oh yeah, you gon' fuck around and find yourself.
So this is the end of my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment down any questions, comments, concerns that you have about a dorm, specifically Grant, because I live in Grant, single and or double. I lived in both, so I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. I hope I hit on everything, but if I didn't, like I said before, feel free to comment. So yeah, I definitely recommend living in Grant when you come to NIU. If not Grant, try to aim for Stevenson. But yeah, that's a whole nother topic. I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, and simple. I don't want this outro to be long because I gotta get to bed. It's 1 in the morning. Y'all, I'm so tired. Okay, boom. So yeah, at all my socials, they're gonna be on the screen. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for tuning in.